Hello students, today in this session or class we will going to discuss causes of poverty in Karnataka. The poverty caused by several factors. The important factors they are low productivity in the country and in Karnataka. The low productivity attitudes in production area is also one of the main reason for poverty concern. The second one, rapid increase in population. Students, you know, India is the second largest country in the population. The first one is China. In growth rate of population, India is the first. In size of population, India is the second. In size of population, China is the first. But whereas in the China, the growth rate is very low. This is the major cause of poverty. At the same time, unemployment in Karnataka and in the Indian economy. The third one is lack of alternative employment opportunities. In our Indian economy, lack of alternative employment opportunities. Majority of our Indian economy, 75% are the rural people. Joint family system. The entire family members depends on only the agriculture. Except agriculture, there is no opportunity to do any work. 2 plus 6, 2 plus 4, 2 plus 8 or least 5 to 6 members, 10 members depends on agriculture for their livelihoods. Therefore, the total production of their family is insufficient to meet all the requirements of the family. This is the third one reason for the poverty. Fourth one is unemployment. In India, due to population explosion, unemployment. Unemployment means underutilization of manpower. Due to the underutilization of manpower in the economy, unemployment is increasing day by day along with increasing population. This is another reason. The fifth one reason, inequality in income. The total national income is not equal distribution among the country people. The income is too vary among the country people. 80% of income goes to the 20% of the people of the country. At the same time, 20% of the income goes to the 80% of the people in the country. As a result, poverty goes on increasing day by day. And another is lack of developmental works. Lack of developmental work is also another reason for poverty in Karnataka, in India. India is the democracy. In its overall revenue spent for people welfare, public welfare. The amount of spend for the developmental activities is very less. As a result, poverty is day by day increasing. The seventh one reason, lack of infrastructure facilities. In our India, yet to be the rural and urban people suffering to get basic infrastructure facilities. As a result, poverty increasing day by day. Another reason is regional imbalance. Among 29 states and among 32 districts in Karnataka, all the districts and all the states not equal economic status, not equal opportunity, not equal resource. This is another backup for the cause of poverty and unemployment. The last one, social and political factor. Here, while selecting any job, our people considered caste, religion. Number of works are co-set with our caste and religions. All the caste, all the religions not to do engage any type of economic activities. That's why in Karnataka and in Indian economy, the poverty at the same time unemployment, the ratio goes on increasing. Students, these are the main causes or incidents of poverty in India and also in Karnataka economy.